If you are experiencing issues with Safari on your iPhone, resetting it can help resolve problems like slow performance, loading errors, or unexpected behavior. So, here is how you can reset Safari. So, let's get started. Firstly, the most common way to reset Safari by removing cache data, cookies, and browsing history, which can often fix performance issues, is by opening Settings on your iPhone. So, inside Settings, scroll down till the bottom and look for the Apps option available there. Now, inside Apps, all you have to do is scroll down again and tap on the Safari option available there. Once you tap on the Safari, scroll down and look for the advanced option available there and simply tap on it. Inside advanced, you can see website or data option available. Tap on the website data. Now there you can see remove option available at the bottom with red highlights. Now do so. This will remove your browsing histories, cookies, and cache, which can help fix issues related to slow performance or loading errors. Now go back to the settings again. Inside settings, tap on the general option available there. Inside general, tap on the iPhone storage. And now inside iPhone storage, from the list of all apps, look for the Safari and simply tap on it. Inside Safari, again tap on the website data option available. And if there is any available, again tap on the remove option available and remove it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.